Good morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your support and I appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope you are all happy, healthy, well, and safe. And I have to say that our heat wave seems to be over, and I am very happy about that. We just spent a long 4-day weekend with our 13-year-old grandson, and we just had a wonderful time. And now the house is way too empty and too quiet and too boring. And his dad actually told me that when he went to bed last night, he told him that he was sad that he wasn't still here with us. So maybe next year he can come even longer, for a longer period of time. But I am supposed to be doing my first Junket Journal July layout, which is Spark, and I have absolutely no motivation. I don't know what to do about Spark. Spark to me kind of means like a fire, or something like that gets you going, you know what I mean? Like sparks your interest or sparks your creative juices, that kind of thing. And I'm not feeling anything. What can I do for spark? I am going to have to... At first I thought, well, I could get something sparkly, because I do have some magazine images that would be sparkly. But I honestly don't know how to interpret spark. Well, I guess I will figure that out. Alright, so I think I have come up with a theme for Spark. After thinking about it for a little while, I came up with Smokey the Bear. Only you can prevent forest fires. Only a spark can start a forest fire. And so I have some pictures of a forest. Here's some firefighters in the forest, and here's another picture of a forest fire. So I'm going to kind of do this sort of like a glue book style, and I have made a match, and I have my little flame here, which I'm going to attach to the top of my match. I hope you can see it. It's so tiny. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Also, like, I couldn't get in between picture of Smokey the Bear, and then this one kind of cut off the top, and I did it again and it cut off the top again. So I don't know what's up with that, but I am not sure how I'm going to incorporate Smokey the Bear in there, the little one or the big one. And that's going to be my... I cannot get this glue out. That's going to be my Junk Journal July for the first one, Spark. Okay, there we go. So we can put on our yellow part of the flame right there. And our orange part is going to go right on top of the yellow. I think I might need tweezers for this, maybe not. There we go. Move it down a little. Oh boy. Needs to be moved down. The orange part. Okay, so there's my match with the flame. And I'm going to cut out Smokey and see which one I want to use. I do need to cut this off just a tad, like right about here. And then we'll get everything put down. Let's see. Will this fit in here? Yeah, it will. hope you're all doing great. As I mentioned before, we're just a little bit sad that our grandson is gone, but they'll actually be back in August, but only with their parent, and my granddaughter too, with their parents, for the family reunion. So it won't be quite like, him coming up to stay by himself. My granddaughter said she wants to try to come next year. She feels a little bit scared this year. So we'll see how that works out. So we have that there. And Smokey. I need my bigger one. Whoa. Everything comes down like an avalanche. So, do you have grandchildren? Do they visit you in the summer or at any time of the year? I was kind of surprised that he wouldn't think that we were boring. I wasn't surprised. I was surprised that he had a great time. Oh, I just cut that. Ugh, so annoying. I think I'm just going to use my scissors. I hate when that happens. I think this one's going to be the one I don't use anyway because it's too big, but we'll see. Remember, folks, only you can prevent forest fires. We still have a firehouse that has Smokey the Bear on it, a Smokey the Bear poster on it. Is he still around? Smokey's still around? What do we put him there? And this here. We could put this here. And my little match I'm going to put maybe right here. But yeah, I don't think I want to use this one because it's cut off. So I guess this is what we're going to do. And I just have a little piece like right here. Let's get everything glued. See if we like this here. Like that there. We could put that there. I could put the flame right there. I think that is what I'm going to do. I have to move some stuff over. I think we're just going to go ahead and do this. And that's it. That's my number one for Spark. Let's get everything glued on. And get my gluing scrap paper out here. And get this down. I think I'm just going to glue the whole page first. Yeah, let's get this top part glued. Oh. I'll probably speed up the gluing process. And this needs a little bit on the top too. Go ahead and put some on here also. I kind of think I feel the temperature going back up. Oh, too much glue. Okay, there's that. Where is my little scraper thingy? I've lost my parts. I don't know where my little scraper thing went. You can't even tell that I ripped it, can you? I don't think so. And now we have this one that's going right like this. I just want to make sure I have the flames in there. Oops. There we go. And then we have this one that's going right here like this. So I'll get this one glued up separately. Oh, I think this glue is running out. This one's going right here like this. And then my match. Oops, I'll move this over just a teensy bit. There. And then this one's going just like that. Okay, now we will trim. And I think I need to put like the number on it. Number 1. I think I'll cut out a circle and stamp the number 1 on it. Alright, so I thought an orange circle would show up nicely there in the corner. I've got some black ink. Hopefully this number 1 will show up. I think it will. And hopefully I got it in the right spot. I might have to... There we go. That's perfect. We'll glue that there and call it a day. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you stopping by and taking the time out of your busy day to see what I created. And we will see you again for the next one. Bye-bye.